morning students, again this is Pradyuman sir in front of you, and here comes with your new video on the topic of, on the lesson of, and your first lesson is to be completed full exercise and question answer over, and after that your second lesson is here. Okay, the name of the second lesson is file management and data organization. Okay, so here comes with the two topics here, the moving data and the moving data. These are the basic operation. In the third class or in the fourth class, we have just simply read or studied about these these two topics. Okay, that copying the data or moving the data. Okay, so these are some basic information about the computer. These are the basic operation by which you can just simply transfer your data over two drives, over two computers, from here to there, over pen drive, over CDs. Okay, so by using this type of storage device, you can just simply use these by using this type of operation, you can transfer your data over two different type of computer system or two different type of storage devices. Okay, so first of all, again I am saying that if you are a new viewer to my channel, go to this channel link, and after that press the subscribe button that is about red in color, and after that press the bell icon just beside it, and after pressing the bell icon there is a list over there, and you have to select all from the list so you can get the notification of my very firstly. Okay, so starting this type of topic was, first of all I am again remembering you that those who have not just simply completed their first lesson, please complete your first lesson and send it to my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is just simply preloaded on the Google Classroom. You can get my WhatsApp number from there, and after that saving my number, you have to just simply complete your work, means complete your exercise or complete your question answer, and completing your exercise, all the work, you have to just simply click a pic of your completed work. Okay, after completing the work, you have to send that work, okay, to me, so that I can just simply get to know that how many students of you is simply complete your work up to first lesson. Because in the quarterly exam, the syllabus is about up to second lesson. First lesson and the second lesson. First lesson is to be completed, and now second lesson is just going towards you. Okay, so you have to just complete first lesson and send it to my WhatsApp number. So students, let's get started. So you work with data on a computer. Data can be stored in the form of file or folder. Suppose you are doing your work on a computer system and you store some file or some data in your computer according to your need. Suppose the data or that information might be in the written form like a document, or might be in the audio recording, or might be in the video recording, or any type of software and any other type of thing. That is your particular important data. Okay, so if the file in the folder, suppose there are some files or there are some folders, okay, a folder is a type of that thing. In the folder is like a container. Okay, in a container, a specific type of product or a specific type of thing will store in it. Like if the folder is of music, then you can simply store or save only music file in that particular folder. Okay, if the folder is of game, you can just simply save the games into that folder. Okay, so as per your need, as per your demand, as per your folder, you can just simply store the file according to the folder name. Okay, so there are only two operations by which you can just simply transfer your data from here to there or there to there as per your need. Now, if the file and folder on a computer are not arranged properly, it will be difficult for you to find a specific file. Means, as I told you that if you are not making a folder or a folder is not properly organized, means suppose there is a folder, means like a folder that you just write that my folder it is, okay, and over there my folder, you just open that folder, you just find that there are many games, music, videos and other things over there in the folder. So you are just simply confused, okay, because whenever you find the when you wanted to find the file, a particular file, you cannot find that file, because the file is not in an organized manner. You have to just simply organize that all file in the organized manner, so that when in the future whenever you wanted to use that particular file, you have to just find that file very easily. So you must organize the file and folder on a computer. Likewise, in the daily basis uses, you have to just simply arrange your all the books and the notebooks in your almirah very properly, so that whenever your teacher or your tuition teacher might be want any type of books or notebooks, you can just simply give that particular book or notebook to that teacher. Okay. So as per your daily basis in your computer, you have to just simply organize your whole data file folder in a very organized manner. So organizing the file and folder allows you to locate them easily. Means you have to select the path. Okay, that the path is very important, where you have to select where you have to save that file. Means suppose you have some documents over there in a computer and you want to save them all, then you have to just simply create a folder, that my document. Okay, and over the my document, when you click or open that folder, you find that all the files which you have the written document is just simply saved over that my document. If the another folder is my music, then in the my music there are only musics over there, and after that my videos, in the videos you can find only videos or the clips means the short clips of that particular movie or a song. You can just simply save on into the video. If you wanted to movie some, then you have to just make another folder by naming my movies, my games. So as per your need, as per your demand, you can just simply make such type of folder and organize your all file according to your folders. So again, organizing the file and folder on a computer is called file management. Means this lesson is about file management and data organization. So you can just simply suppose if you are organizing a file or a folder, okay, so the process of organizing the file and a folder is called file management. Okay, and after that, file management includes viewing, copying, moving, deleting a file or folder. It also includes sorting of file, sorting of file folder by name, type, size, and so on. Means there are some basic in this chapter. You have to just simply learn about some basic operation over into the computer, so that you can just simply transfer your data from one computer system to another computer system, or you can just simply delete that particular file or folder. You can copy that file or folder, you can move that file or folder, you can paste that file or folder, you can just simply cut that file or a folder or that document or that particular software that you wanted to be transferred or deleted, or whatever operation you wanted to do with that particular thing. Okay, so the first topic is copying a data. Okay, in this topic you have to read about that how could you copy a data from one computer to another. Suppose you have a folder, okay, and a folder name, suppose this is a folder named my games. Okay, this is a folder named my games, and you wanted to share this folder with your colleagues or with your friends. Or suppose if I come to your home and wanted to or see that particular computer system and find that there is a folder naming my games, and I have a desire to take these software from your computer and install these games into my computer. Then what should I do? Because if I take all these things from your computer permanently, then you cannot use such type of software or such type of games and never. Okay, so first of all I have to copy this folder Okay, this is your first operation, that copying the data. So this is a folder. I have to copy this folder from your computer to my pen drive or my CD drive, my DVD drive, whatever storage I have at that particular time. Then I have to just simply install in it in your CPU or computer system, and after installing or enacting that particular storage device, I have to I have to copy this folder from here to my particular storage device. Okay, after copying my folder, I will just simply eject my device, that storage device with me, and again I take that storage device with me and install all the games in my computers. So a computer drive is a piece of hardware that is used to read and store data. A computer usually has a hard disk drive located inside the CPU cavity. Means in your computer system there are some drives, okay, like C drive, D drive, E drive and F drive. There are 4 drives in your computers. Okay, so what are they? The C drive, D drive, E drive and F drive. Okay, if you are using the CD or a DVD, then it will convert it to G drive also. So drive is a piece of hardware that is used to read and store information. Means these are drives by which the data is just simply stored in that drive. Okay, whatever data you have, it will simply stored in that particular drive. Like you are suppose if your C drive is empty, all the data will just simply stored in the C drive. If your C drive is about to be full, then the computer will ask to you that from now where you on which drive you wanted to store your data. If you choose like D drive or E drive or F drive, then choosing according to your choose, the whole data will simply go over there. Okay, so after that, a drive is represented by a letter. The hard disk drive, for example, can be represented by the letter C, D, E and so on. Okay, suppose in your hard disk, suppose your computer system have 1 terabyte of hard disk, then it will just simply show via C drive, D drive, E drive and F drive. This is the first drive in which when your computer is to be bought or bought from the company, then the whole data just simply goes over there in the C drive. And after filling this drive, your computer asks to you that now what type of what is the next path of the storing data is where you want to do. So after selecting that, if suppose you select E drive, then your whole data will just simply store in the E drive. Okay, now to copy a file or folder from one drive another, follow these steps. Okay, so suppose in this top in this topic, copy the data from one drive to another. Okay, suppose there is a folder or file like my games in the C drive, and you wanted to copy this from here to as per your demand or as per your need. Okay, suppose you wanted to store my game from C drive to F drive. Then what are the steps or by which you can just simply copy that folder from here to here? So there are some steps by which you can just simply take that operation. Okay, so first of all, locate that file or folder that you wanted to copy from the drive. So first of all, you have to choose this. Okay, where you have to save this folder, you have to open that drive and select this. When you select that folder, it will highlight it with which color? It will highlight it with blue color. When you select this, okay, it will just simply, this folder will just simply highlighted with blue color. Okay, this is a green board. I cannot just simply give a all overview, but you can understand it. Because in the 5th class I will give you all overview that whenever you just simply selected the text or any type of information with your computer, with your keyboard or mouse, it will just simply highlight it with which color? With blue color. So when you just simply select that particular folder or file, it will select it with blue color. So after that, now right click on it. Okay, so you place the mouse pointer here and click right. When you click right, there is a list over there. Okay, so you have to when you click the right click, okay, on the over the mouse, you have just found that there is a list. In that list there are some commands, okay, by which you can just simply copy your data. So and select the copy option from the list. So here you can see that when you click on the right on the folder, it will select it by blue color and there is a list over there. So you have to select copy from the list and now use Windows Explorer to open the drive. When you open, where you wanted to copy the folder. Now this folder means my game folder is just copied. Okay, now you have to paste that folder to that drive where you want. So you have to select. Suppose you have my games is just simply installed in C drive and you want to copy from C drive to E drive. You have to open this E drive. Okay, you have to open this E drive and whenever you open this E drive and select the path. Okay, so right click on the blank space in the drive and select the paste option. Again, when the E drive is open, okay, the E drive window will open in front of you. You have to find a blank area over there. Okay, so wherever the blank area is there, you have to just simply whatever you have to do. Again, you have to click right in the blank area in E drive. Okay, when you click over there, you have to find again that there is a list over there. Okay, after that you have to find the paste option. Now you are not supposed to find the copy option. You have to copy that folder previously, okay, in the previous steps. Now you have to paste that folder from C drive to E drive. So in the E drive option, the blank area, you have to click right and over there you have to click over paste option so that you can paste that folder from C drive to E drive. After click on the paste option, your folder will start to copy from here to there. Okay, so the copied file will be pasted in that drive and you can just simply watch that file in that particular drive also. Okay, suppose you wanted to watch your folder in the C drive, you can go through. Okay, if you wanted to watch my games in the E drive, you can also go through. Okay. Now the next or your last topic of not the last but today's last topic of that lesson is moving data from one drive to another. Again the steps are same, but in that copying the data, you choose copy option. When you click right over there, you choose copy option in this. Okay, but first of all, we have to know that what is copying and what is moving. Copying operation is that type of, suppose I am standing here and if you want a copy of my, then you have to just simply create a duplicate of me. Okay, and over there you will find that I am standing here and also here. Okay, so my duplicate is just simply standing here. This is a copy. Okay, original one is here and the duplicate is here because we just simply created. You have just simply copied my duplicate from here to there. But moving of a file from one drive, suppose this is a drive and I am standing here. Okay, and if you wanted to moving moving this data from here to there, then you have to just simply move like this. Okay, this is the movement and copying the data like creating a duplicate of that particular file. Suppose you want that there are two Prathaman in front of you, then you have to just simply select copying option so that you can get two same Prathaman okay in front of you, as one is standing here and against the second the duplicate is standing there. suppose. Okay, and if you wanted to move a particular, suppose if you wanted that I simply move from here, suppose if you are writing this type of data in your notebook, and you have not seen that, so you have to see that sir please move from here to there. So I will just simply move from here, from there to here. So this is moving and that is copying. So this is the difference between copying and moving. Now moving data. So first of all, we read their all steps, and after that we will just simply understand that what is moving a data from one drive to another. So first of all, you can also move a file or folder. Moving a file or folder means deleting it from its original source and bring it to another destination. Means suppose I am standing here, and if you wanted to go, suppose you wanted that I move from here to there because you have a problem to write these all. So you say sir please move from there because I am not able to write it. Okay, according to your need I have changed my position. The original position is that, and now the destination is this. Okay, now there you cannot find me. Now that space is empty. Okay, anyone can stand there. Okay, with my permission. So to move a file or folder from one drive to another, follow these steps. So there are some again, like copying a data from one drive to another. There are some steps. Again, moving a data from one drive from another drive. There are also some steps. By following these steps, you can just simply get all the information and learn how to just simply move a data. Okay, so read these all. So the first step is locate the file or folder that you wanted to move. Means again you have to just select that folder or file that you wanted to move from one drive to another. After selecting this, right click on it and select cut option. Okay, you have to just simply again place the pointer over here and click right on it. And after clicking right on it, it will again open a list over there. And after that, select cut option from there. Okay, when you select cut option, this will delete it from here permanently. Okay, but it will just simply make a copy of there, and when the destination drive is key, or when you open this, and again whatever do you use Windows Explorer to open the drive where you wanted to place the file or folder. Means that folder where you wanted to move, you have to just choose from the Windows Explorer. After choosing that drive, find the blank area. Here you can see that right click on the blank space in the drive and select the paste option. The move file will be pasted on that drive. If suppose you are suppose this my game is in the C drive and you wanted to move to F drive, then you have to first of all select the folder. Selecting the folder, it will highlight it with blue color. After that, place the pointer here and click right button over there. After clicking there is a list here. You have to just select cut option. After selecting cut option, you have to choose the drive where you wanted to move that folder. Suppose I choose F drive. I open that drive, and after that find a blank space over there. Selecting blank area. After that I have to just simply again click right button on over the mouse, and after that there is again a list. I found it. Okay, after finding that list, I have just simply watch the paste option over there. Okay, after finding the paste option, I just simply click left over it. Okay, on the paste option. Okay, after clicking on the paste option, I found that my folder is just simply moved from C drive to F drive. Okay, so these are the steps by which you can just simply get to know that how could you just simply copy your data or move your data from one drive to another drive. Okay, again I am saying those who are not completed their first lesson in your note or in your book, you have to just simply complete your work, because I have just simply preloaded all the exercises. Okay, answer of the exercises and question answer also in the Google Classroom, so you have to get the all answers from there. And after getting this all answer, you have to write in the book and in the notebook. Okay, and after that you have to just simply click a pic of that particular homework and send it to my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is also preloaded in the Google Classroom. You get my number from there. And again I am saying that if you are a new viewer in my channel, then first of all subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and select all from the list so that you can get the information of my video very firstly. So stay tuned with me and my channel. Goodbye.